Alright, we got a new rider this morning. 10.5 years old, and he's got a 18-inch inseam. So this little bike right here would be ideal at 17 inches on the seat height, but it's real temperamental, and you can see it doesn't have much of a turning radius on it, and about the only place it's going to go is up and down the driveway here on a smooth surface. So the Coleman, that's too big, and Bill's bike there is too big. So I got looking over at Nault, and they had a DRZ50 Suzuki, and that had a seat height of 22 inches. And by mistake, I got on Nault's web page for Manchester, New Hampshire, and I found this Honda CRF50F on there, and I got looking, and that had a what they said was a 1-inch difference, being lower on the seat at 21 inches, and the DRZ50 Suzuki was 22 inches. Now when I looked at the bike in the specs, it was actually 21.6, so not a big difference, but every little bit does make a difference, and I'm pretty sure he'll be able to swing his leg over that and touch at least on one side. So this will be a better starter bike, and being a Honda, Suzuki, Kawasaki, Yamaha, it's going to be pretty much, ride it and not keep working on it. So he'll be able to ride this day after day, hours on end, and we won't have any trouble with it. This is a 3-speed, all up, no clutch. It's a lot like Bill's bike. And the Suzuki had an electric start and a kick start. This has just got a kick start. But I grew up on Honda. Mine was a Mini Trail 50. Looked more like the Honda Monkey that they have today. And I just practically lived on that thing growing up. So I know that Honda's a good bike. So he should be here any minute now, and we'll get him started. You guys are looking for a bike for a younger kid to ride. Rather than spending a bunch of money on your Jap or Chinese motorcycles, you're better off to get a good quality, like I said, Honda, Kawasaki, Suzuki, or Yamaha, something like that. This one was $16.95. It was over $600 cheaper than the Suzuki. And like I said, he'll ride that. His younger brother will ride it. We've got his sister, and we got a couple others. So this one will be passed around probably from person to person, and everybody will learn how to ride on that. So if you guys are looking for a bike, take that into consideration, and good luck finding your next bike. Well, let's start it up and turn the key on. Make sure your kill switch is in the on position. Gas is on. Choke it. Fold your kickstarter out. Let me set you up on the stand. Spitting snow here again this morning. It's about 38 degrees right now. So you shouldn't have to give it any gas, just kick it over. Pretty cold. let that warm up, and I'll take it off choke and she'll be ready to ride. Nice and quiet. And it's in neutral, so it won't go anywhere. These other bikes, you know, the Coleman and the little pocket rocket, once you give them gas, they'll take right off. So there you go. This is the one I'd go with. Price is right, and you'll get years and years of use out of something like that. All right, have fun riding. We'll see you.